Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A1, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications. Do so once more. This will extend the toggles that are visible right here, and one of the toggles will be Do Not Disturb, as you can see right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggles, so I assume yours is in the same exact place. If it's not, it could be maybe on the second page, so you might want to look for it. But from here, you can hold this toggle. This will then take you to settings, where you can customize how the mode functions. Now I'm going to just touch upon a couple important portions of it. So for instance, people, which will allow you to select who can call you or message you, and schedule. This will allow you to set up a single or multiple schedules, and in here you can set up a day of the week that you want it to run during. This one is basically all week long, start and end time, and this will then automatically turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode. For this to be utilized, you just need to toggle it on from here, and that's all. You don't need to do anything extra for this. But for everybody else who wants to use it manually from time to time, once you go through the settings and customize them, you can then find the toggle and simply press on it. And there we go, it's now enabled. Now, when enabling it manually, I would recommend trying to remember about it, just because you will probably want to turn it off at some point. And obviously, if you forget about it, and just keep it on permanently, this will, for instance, block anybody from calling you. If you, for instance, selected under people and calls, and you selected none, so technically no one will be able to call me, and obviously no one will call you or be able to call you. Technically they will be able to call you, though you won't be notified about it because of the Do Not Disturb. So yeah, so you might want a little bit of a tongue twister there. You might want to just keep in mind that it's running, and once you're not needing this mode anymore, simply tap on it again to turn it off. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.